When you select a solar layout, the quote details section gets a slight change. So in this scenario, I have a roof quote, a roof and solar quote, and then a premium roof and solar quote. So for my roof quote, when I select my financing plan, it's going to be a home improvement plan. So we'll pick one of those. I'm not hitting this add solar to roof quote because I want this to be just the roof quote for the first page. And here we are, I have our familiar roof line item quote built out. Then my roof and solar quote, you'll see a change here. I have this solar section enabled where it's pulling my solar system, price per watt, any extra optional description items I'd like, and then a solar section total and a monthly financing payment. And then my roof is built underneath after that. And then again, with my premium roof and solar, I have the solar section and then the upgraded roofing products after that. So if we go and view these pages, this is what you will be able to present to your homeowner. This roof quote first. Here we are. Here's all the line items. Here's your total. And let's finance this thing over 5 years. Here's your payment. Or if you've ever considered solar, here we can wrap it all together. Here's your solar system. Here's the new section and that extra description, the solar section total and estimated monthly payment, and then your roof quote, section total, monthly payment, wrapping it all together into one project, financing it over 25 years. So reducing your payment to $187 and adding solar to your home. And then the final page is a premium roof and solar. So again, this solar section included, upgraded roof, and here's your total and your financing over 25